Hello guys, today I will show you how to install a plugin to make your WooCommerce Wordpress websites become multilingual in less than 5 minutes. If you're interested, so please sit down, give this video a like and continue watching. So we are right now on an online store. It's called the store that sells syncs for commercial and residential customers. It has the WooCommerce installed plugin. You can select any of the items. Let's say click on this thing and add it to cart. And then you can view the cart, you can do the checkout and all sorts of operations. And I'm going to install a language switcher and customize this language switcher, and you'll see how easy it is to get your WooCommerce based WordPress website translated by the plugin called ConveyThis. So I'm right now on the dashboard. I registered for the free account to get started on ConveyThis.com. I'm on the dashboard. I'm on a free plan. I'm allowed to use 2,500 words free of charge and up to 92 languages. So this plugin has no limitations on the languages, unlike the competition, so I can choose any language I want. So to install the plugin, let me first go to the dashboard, to the administrative section of the WordPress. Then I'll go to plugins and click on add new. And here I need to search for ConveyThis. Type in ConveyThis. You'll notice the plugin is here. It already has 400 active installations, very good feedback. It's been quite a while in the directory for now. It's been growing every month. So click on install. It's installed. Now click on activate. It gives you this message: ConveyThis plugin installed but not yet configured. You need to configure plugin here. So click on the configuration page. And here I need to copy the API key. The API key is on my dashboard, is located right here beneath. So I click on the API key, copy paste it here, and the second option I need to choose the languages. My source language of the website is English, and I want it to be translated to Russian. Since I speak Russian, French, I can do French and Spanish. So let's use these three languages as an example. Automatic language redirection. This is the feature that works only on upgraded plans, and hiding the logo also works on upgraded plans. So let's click Save Changes, and I'll show you what happens next. So the plugin is activated. This is the preview section. This is how the switcher looks like. So let's go to the website itself and see where the switcher is. Okay, so this is the first time I'm doing this. The switcher appeared by default in the right bottom section of the website. Let's click on Russian and see what happens. Okay, so the plugin started immediately translating the website. You see, some navigation got a little bit distorted because Russian language is a little longer than English original. So let's click on the page. Okay, and inside page also was translated. See, it actually works, so that's good. So let's refresh my dashboard, see if anything changes on the dashboard. Yes, so the plugin sent the message that we had activated 3 languages so far, and we have used 379 words to translate automatically by the machine. I can click around. There's a domains, right? Domain has been already activated. And I can also click on my translations. As you can see, I visited 2 pages, the index one and the page product page. The number of views is how many times you have seen the translated page. So here I can do 2 options. I can go into edit translations and manually, this is some tutorial. It shows you this is the original text, this is my translation. This is the type of the translation I can do. If it's default, it's machine. If it's custom, that means your translation. And if you order professional translation, it'll be green. And this is the order button. So you can select either one by one segments, or you can select all the segments. So let's end the tour. So this is the interface to modify the machine translations, because sometimes they sound very awkward and you want to customize it. But the second interface, which makes this plugin so superior and unique, is the visual interface. Let's click on this button, and it takes us on a proxy page which looks exactly like our web page, but this is actually the translation. So I can click around certain elements and have them translated. So now let's go back. Okay, so the settings is the page we shouldn't really touch. This is a JavaScript. For WordPress it doesn't apply. It mostly applies to some other cases, some other websites which are not on JavaScript. On support, you can submit your support ticket to our team to get it answered. And on plans page, you can basically upgrade to a business plan, which is the most popular plan we have. It has higher tier of number of translated words if you add more multiple languages. In addition, it has the better machine translation, and it has visitor language redirection. That means the feature that preloads the translated pages depending on your visitors' language preferences in their browser, and it has better support. So that's pretty much it, right? That's what the website is about. So let's go back to the dashboard, refresh it. So this is how, let's look at the website. It is now translated into Russian. It is translated into French. Okay. Translated into French and translated into Spanish. Each new page has the cached URL, so Google will come in and will discover those physical pages. Google will index them, and it's very SEO-friendly plugin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.